Hey everyone, so if you want to add a border around your image like this one, then this video is for you as I will be showing you how to do this in a step-by-step tutorial. So stick to the video till the end and I will show you that how you can do that. So first of all, go to canva.com and once you are on your home page, you need to click on create a design. And let's say you want to create a thumbnail for YouTube video. So just click on YouTube thumbnail and a new window will pop up. So now let me show you that how you can add a border around an image. So for that I will be choosing a stock image from the element section of the Canva. So just go to the element and type here anything, like in my case I recently used this image, so I will be clicking on this. So let's say you want to add a border around this girl. So for that you first need to remove the background from this image. So for that you can just click on edit image, and if you have a pro account just click on remove background, and if you don't have a pro account, you can just go to google.com and enter here remove.bg, and you can now upload your image over here and it will automatically remove the background from your image for completely free. And once you have that image you can import that to this website. And now let me show you that how you can remove the background in Canva. Just click on bg remover. Okay, so now you can see that the background has been removed. So let me choose another background, let's say it's black. Okay, so this is our character, and now we want to add a white or yellow light around this character. So for that, just click on this, go to edit image, and search here shadow. Now just click on shadows, and if you're trying this for the first time, it will ask you to use it. There will be a button at the very bottom end. Just click on that and you will be moved to this page. And now it has six more options over here, but if you want to add the glow around its complete body, so you need to choose this option, glow. Just click on this, and now just click on see controls, and here you can customize the glow. Let's say I want to add a white glow around this girl, so click on white, reduce the blur ratio and increase the transparency to 100%. And now you can increase the size. Let's say the size 4 is perfect for me, but let's just see how it looks like. Okay, so this is very thick. uh, 6 is perfect for me. So if you want to increase the blurriness you can just increase it with that looks perfect. So click apply, and now this is the final image where a girl is shown with a glow around it. So this is how you can add a white or any other glow in Canva. So if you like the video don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.